Hello, data detectives. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of searching in Google Sheets? Whether you're looking for a specific number or a piece of text, we'll show you how to find it fast. Let's start the search. 1. Initiate search. Press Ctrl F on your keyboard, or CMD-F if you're on a Mac. This will open the Find box. 2. Enter search query. Type in the word, number, or phrase you're searching for. 3. Navigate results. Use the arrows in the Find box to move through the results. Your search term will be highlighted in the sheet. 4. Advanced Find and Replace. For more options, click on Edit in the menu bar and select Find and Replace. Here you can replace terms or refine your search within specific ranges. That's how easy it is to search in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more ways to navigate your spreadsheets with ease.